Hi, Sarah here with a Plan With Me video for you today. This is my August monthly and I'm using this kit by Fab Planner Print, which is called Mermaid Spirit. This one is a new format Erin Condren and also fits Happy Planner, as the stickers are the same width, but I am using it in my A5 planner using Annie Plan printables. And all I do is just snip things down a bit to make them fit. So first off, I'm taking the header washi strips and I just trim off one and then piece the other one together at the other side. Then I've also used some rose gold washi from my stash and this seashell one, which is fairly new. That one was from Snail Mail by Jodie. I've also taken some of that pink striped one that's also in the mermaid kit. I'm now going to take the days of the week, trim them down slightly so that they fit into each of the boxes. They overlap slightly, but they fit pretty well. And I'm trimming down some of the full boxes there, the ones with the illustrations in them, like filler ones, and I'm just adding that in underneath there. I'm adding some gold washi down the sides just to frame where I'm going to add the stickers on top of. And I've added a cleaning schedule down the side, that's for my deep cleaning, to make sure that I manage to get to each room in the house within the month at some point. And I've trimmed down that illustration sticker there just to fit in that box there. I've added another illustration sticker at the top and then added a seashell in the middle, so that just forms a bit of a seamless filler area at the top. And now I'm just adding some decorative stickers here and there, just avoiding to put them too much on my actual days of the month. Now I'm just adding my flag stickers. The first one was down for payday, the others down on the Thursdays, that's for my planner day, so I make sure that I remember to get things scheduled ready for that. And I'm just adding this scripty clean sticker just because it's pretty. Add that over the top of the one that was there, and I'm adding the payday one in there. I'm also adding in the cute little wine glasses. That's where I'm going to a party. It's a baby shower, but you know, that was the nearest I had, so that works fine. I'm adding a deco sticker at the bottom, and then there's a little car on the second. That's for when my mum's visiting, so I thought that was pretty good match for that. I'm also adding in some quarter boxes, I think these ones are, or half boxes, and I've trimmed them in two just so I can add in. I've got a couple of other things to do that month, so I wanted to just add those in as well. And I think that's pretty much all I write down for now, and then the rest of the month I will fill in as I go along. I'm just filling in here the rooms of my house basically, so that I can tick them off as I've given them a good clean. Because I do have a cleaning schedule for days as well, but you know, cupboards, cleaning out cupboards, that kind of stuff. So I've trimmed off all around the edges of the washi, I've punched out holes, and it's ready to go back in my planner. So thanks for joining me today. If you'd like to see more Plan With Me videos, then please do like and subscribe and hit the little bell button so that you get notified when I have a new video. They are usually on Thursdays, every Thursday. And if you want to get a hold of this kit, you can use the code 10Sarah to get 10% off over at Fab Planner Print. So thanks again for joining me. Have a great day, everyone. Bye bye.